Welcome to QuickBite Kitchen. Today, we're making the fluffiest pancakes ever, with simple ingredients you already have at home. Ingredients: here's what you'll need to make 6 to 8 pancakes. You can adjust as needed. On-screen list: 1 cup all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons. Sugar, 2 teaspoons. Baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon. Salt, 3/4 cup. Milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons. Melted butter, 1 teaspoon. Vanilla extract. Step 1. Mix dry ingredients in a bowl. Combine flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Give it a quick stir. Step 2. Add wet ingredients. Now add milk, egg, melted butter, and vanilla extract. Mix gently until just combined. Don't over. On-screen tip: lumps are okay. They make the pancakes fluffy. Step 3. Cook the pancakes. Heat a non-stick pan on medium. Add a bit of butter, then pour 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Flip when bubbles form and the edges look set. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes on each side. Step 4. Stack and serve. Stack your golden, fluffy pancakes high and top with butter, maple syrup, fruits, or whatever you love. And that's it. Soft, fluffy pancakes made at home. Fast and easy. If you enjoyed this recipe, hit like, subscribe to QuickBite Kitchen, and let us know your favorite pancake topping in the comments.